join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Baby shark swam out to sea, gliding through the waves wild and free. He splashed and twirled in the shining blue, chasing little bubbles as the currents flew. His tiny fins shimmered in the light, turning the ocean into pure delight. Mama shark followed with a gentle sway, keeping baby shark safe all day. She hummed a tune in the quiet deep, guiding her little one through the ocean sweep. They raced past coral bright and tall, playing hide and seek along the reef wall. Daddy shark came rolling in strong, singing his brave and booming song. He swam in circles with a steady glide, watching baby shark with pride inside. Together they danced in the watery glow, where sea plants waved soft and slow. Grandma shark floated with a caring grin, her heart warming softly from within. She told sea stories of long ago, where glowing fish lit the ocean below. Baby shark listened with sparkling eyes, dreaming of adventures yet to rise. Grandpa shark drifted near the sand, leaving tiny swirls where he would land. He showed baby shark a secret cave, filled with shells the tide once gave. Baby shark gasped at the sight so wide, a treasure of the ocean tucked inside. The whole shark family gathered near, sharing love and joy so clear. They swam together in a peaceful line, through waves that shimmered like silver shine. As the sun dipped low in the ocean bed, baby shark yawned and slowly spread. He curled beside his family tight, falling asleep in the gentle night. The sea whispered softly, calm and deep,